Hey guys, if you're using Windows 10 and the Set Time Zone Automatically option is grayed out, don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to fix it. Let's get started. First, let's click on the Start menu and go to Settings. From there, select Privacy, then click on Location. At the top, you'll see a button that says Change. Click on it and make sure Location Access is turned on. Now let's scroll down a bit and under Allow Apps to access your location, make sure that it's also turned on. Once that's done, go back to the Settings home screen, then click on the Time and Language. Now check the Set Time Zone Automatically option. It should no longer be grayed out. Toggle it on and your time zone will now adjust automatically. I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comment if this has worked for you, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.